Hello everyone, welcome to this video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to transpose rows into columns using Power Query. So I am using a weekly weather report here. And by the way, this data representation is not great. So I want to convert my rows into columns. So how can we actually do that using Power Query? It's very easy, and now I'm going to show you exactly how can you do that. So first of all, you have to go to the Data tab and you have to click on From Table or Range. So this will open a small dialog box called Create Table, and here you have to insert your table range. So just click on the upper arrow key and select your data range, and then again click on the down arrow and hit OK. So this will open the Power Query editor and it will import your data into the Power Query editor. And it's taking a little bit of time for processing. And yeah, now we can see that our data table is here imported. And as we want to transform, we have to go to the Transform tab first. And under this tab, you'll find Transpose. So just click on it. And boom, our rows have been already converted into columns, so it's more readable, and this is what I exactly wanted. So my transform data is still in Power Query editor, but I want to import this transform data into my Excel sheet. So how can I do that? For that, I have to go to this Home tab first, and here just click on Close and Load. So this will close the Power Query editor and it will create a new sheet with our transformed data. So this is all for this video tutorial. See you guys again in another video tutorial.